Hello guys, you already know, it's your girl, Lady Corazones. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for all the love and support. So much, I love you guys too. But don't forget, before you leave, smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so you can keep notifying you every time I upload a video. So, why I'm sitting right here? Because I'm back with another prank on Tommy. He's gonna be here in a couple hours, and you know, every time he's out of town, I always gotta do something. I don't know why. I miss my baby. I miss you, baby, so much. I love you. But every time you come back to town, is the perfect is the perfect time to do something on you, because you're too smart. You know that. And I'm doing it now because he's gonna be here in a couple hours, and I'm not gonna have time. I'm gonna go to work, so I'm gonna leave the setup, the camera setup and everything, so when I get back from work, that's when the prank is gonna start. Because I'm gonna be telling him all day at work, you know, my stomach hurts, I haven't been feeling good, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. When I get home, I'm gonna throw up. But what I'm gonna throw up? This bad boy right here. Fake blood. I buy this on Party City, and the instructions say that stains a little bit. So I was thinking to do a different prank, but I don't live in a house, I live in an apartment, and I don't want to like pay for any damage. So I'm gonna just throw up in the sink, you know, something simple. But it's gonna be black. You know, when you see your girlfriend, your wife, your daughter, anybody in your family throwing up blood, that's a big deal right there. So let's see how this goes. Don't forget to like and comment, because this is gonna be good. It's gonna be interesting. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm about to set up the camera under the bed. Okay, let me see. Oh, it's hard. Now I can get under the bed. Babe!
Yeah.
Can you bring me a towel or something?
Like a napkin or?
Yeah. Like apple. I just throw up a little bit, but
I can't hear you, sweetie. What's happened?
I don't know.
Oh my god, what's the matter?
I don't know. I was like, remember I told you about the throwing up?
Yeah. We have to go to the hospital, sweetie.
For what?
You're bleeding it. You're coughing up blood. For what? What happened? What's
I don't know.
We have to go to the hospital, sweetie. Let's go.
No, I don't.
Baby, that's serious. Did you throw it up or did you cough it up?
No, I just like, I don't know, just cough it out. I don't know.
You're ready to go to the hospital. Come on.
No, I don't want to go to the hospital.
You have to.
Maybe that's because I haven't eaten.
No.
Wait.
let's go. Come on. Baby. That's not a little thing. You don't just throw up blood and then oh my god! Oh my goodness!
I can't hold it! I can't! I'm begging for this!
Jesus Christ! That was so well played. I'm just so glad you're okay. Scared me. The camera. Jesus, I shut the fire off on the grill, put away all the food. Oh my goodness. I need to start looking at all the cameras.
I'm glad you worry about me.
Of course.
You go to the hospital.
I knew right away, cause anybody that starts like coughing up blood and throwing up blood
Let me see you.
is gonna want to go to the hospital.
Right? But I'm hungry. I don't want to go to the hospital. I got him.
Let me put the meat back on.
Yes. Now we can eat some barbecue. I couldn't hold my laugh. I couldn't last too long. Look, we're gonna do some meat right now. I think I'm too close. Yeah, I was close. Look, my blue baby right there. You know, yeah, outside looked like the image. Looked like blue. Yeah.
Okay.
You know, your baby always gotta do a little thingy to you, you know? Why not, you know? As you can see, I got my bed. Another prank on my bed. Another prank on my... I got it. He got worried. He got scared. So, it's not a joke. Okay.
She was scared.
Babe got scared. That's scared. That means he loved me. My baby love mommy. You know when you got scared. I love you too. I love you too, honey. Woo! That was a quick prank. I couldn't last longer. I'm like, man, I'm not giving this. I couldn't last. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much. Woo! Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye. Se acabó. Oye, que se acabó.